this video we're going to discuss about the down payment, that if you are receiving an advance or a down payment from your customer, so how you need to record that in Sage 50 accounting. So we're going to do this down payment scenario, that we are receiving a down payment from our customer, that is Excel Marketing, of 50,000. So how to record this down payment in the system? You need to click on this task. In the task we have received money, maximize it. Here you need to select the customer ID, that is Excel Marketing. Here the reference number or the check number you can mention, that is the receipt number, that is 05. You can give the date when you're receiving a down payment. Let's suppose we are receiving this down payment today, and we receive a check, and that is of Dubai Islamic Bank. So right now we are receiving a down payment from our customer, that is 100,000. So you need to check this option, that is prepayment. Check it, and here you need to mention the description, that advance payment received from Excel Marketing, and here you need to enter the amount. Press enter, and the amount is 50,000. Enter, and you need to save it. So this is how you record a down payment or advances or the prepayment in Sage 50 if you are receiving it from your customer. And I want to check the ledger report of the customer. Click on reports and form, account receivables. You need to select the customer ledgers. Here you need to select this option, that is the period. Select a filter, that is customer ID, and we're gonna check the report for the sub customer, that is Excel, and press OK. So this 100,000, that was the opening balance, and that is cash receipt journal, that we are receiving a down payment of 50,000. So that is how you record a down payment in Sage 50. So the next step is that we're going to issue a sale invoice to Excel Marketing, and that is 75,000. So we have to make a sale invoice now. So we go in the task, and that is sale invoicing. So that is a scenario when the down payment is less but the invoice is high, that is 75,000. So select the customer ID, that is Excel Marketing. Okay, the customer is over the credit limit by 30,000. Press OK, that is about the credit limit. So that is the invoice date when you're doing that invoice, and due date is September this, and that is our invoice reference number. I'm gonna enter 200, and that is the quantity because we don't have the sale order right now. So I'm gonna select 20 pieces of, let's suppose it is mobile, we're gonna sale, and that is 2,500. Enter. So that is 50,000. Enter, 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 and 10 pieces of, we are selling, let's suppose the laptops, at HP laptops. Enter, that is, let's suppose 3,000. So that invoice total become, that is 80,000 right now. So save it, and if you check the ledger reports, it's already open. So that is the receivable, that is the opening balance, that is 100,000, and then we receive an invoice of we receive a down payment, that is 50, and now we issue an invoice of 80,000. So still we need to receive 130,000 from our customer Edsel Marketing. So next part is that you will receive 2,500 in Noor Islamic Bank. We need to receive this 25,000 in Noor Islamic Bank. So that is a received money. Actually we need to receive 130. So click on the task, click on this receive money. The customer is Edsel. That is a check number or the reference number. The receipt is 005, and this we are receiving, let's suppose 11th of this the next month in Dubai Islamic, Noor Islamic Bank. And for example, right now how much we are receiving? We are receiving 25,000. So this is the invoice, that is 200,000. So against this invoice we are receiving only the 25,000. Enter. And here you can mention the description, the partial payment received against the invoice. That depends on you. You can write, but I'm not going to right now, but you can do it. And then save it. If you check the ledger reports, it's already open. You need to refresh it. Ledgers, option, because we receive in the next month, so change the month. That is the customer ID, and the customer is Edsel Marketing, and press OK. So the remaining balance which we need to receive it from the Edsel Marketing, that is 105,000. So right now we just received 25,000, that is a balance amount. So this is a process that how to record a down payment if you're receiving a down payment from your customer. So how you can do in Sage 50 accounting, and that is a US edition. If you need to do a down payment, you need to click on the task. In the task we have receive money, and in receive money here you need to check this option, prepayment, if you're receiving a down payment from your customer.